Hello and welcome to this short video recording. I'd like to show you how you can upload assignments for your students using our ISCO system. So under Gradebook, so I've logged in using this sample account from Rusango Secondary, and this is running from my machine, so it's not the real data from Rusango, but I'm just using it as an example. So under Gradebook, we have this new menu that you can use to upload course content, like you can upload the topics that you intend to cover in your studies, similar to what you have in the schemes of work, but this is just for the students to see that okay, these are the topics that we have and this is how much we've covered. And so this will be added later. And then also another thing which we are going to do another video to cover, that is on the automatic tests that you can create for your students. But today I'm going to focus on this assignment part. So here you create an assignment, and when the students log in, they can view those assignments. Now, before you create an assignment, it's nicer to create an assessment that maps to the assignments that you'll be creating. Now, you might have already existing assignments, assessments like midterm, end term, week 1 test, and all those things. So if the assignment that you've created, maybe it's a take-home exam and it's linked to a week 1 test, you can simply map it to that. But in this case, I've created a separate assessment called assignment, and then I can go to update assignment, and then when you want to add an assessment, an assignment, these two terms are mixing here. When you want to add an assignment, first thing is to select a subject. Now, I'm logged in as an administrator, so I can see all subjects. But when you log in as a subject teacher, you can only see the subjects that you teach here. All right. So let's say that I want to create an assessment for English, or maybe design and technology in this case. Yeah, let's say for design and technology. When I do that, it's going to show me the classes where this subject is being taught. Okay, notice that if I change this to English Junior, it will show me some classes. Now, of course, there were mix-ups in terms of how these subjects were assigned. You can see that this is English Junior, but it shows us some senior classes. And if I pick, let's say, history, then I can also see the classes where history is taken. So the bottom line is select the subject. Okay, so let's say I want to pick design and technology. Design, I can even type design and technology senior, and I can see the classes there. And then I select this. Okay, this assignment will be for grade 12s, so I'll pick 12A and 12R, and then you click on new. So when you click new, there'll be a dialog box that pops up where you can type the assignment name. So let's say this is DT assignment 1. So give it a name. It could be anything. You can put a description here, just a brief description. Here you practice computers, something like that. And then which assessment are you linking this assignment to? So you can say, okay, I'm linking, this is just assignment. Then you need to put the due date. So let's say due date is next week on 22nd, and you say the due time will be 12, and then you update. Okay, and there you have. So what you've done here is basically to create just the summary of the assignment, the name, the description, and the due date, but you haven't really put the content. Now, to put the content, you must select the assignment first in the table. Okay, you just take, and then you see that this is selected there, and then you click on update assignment content. Now, there are two ways you can update this content. Either you type the content in here. Okay, maybe you just want to say, hey everybody, can you go to Google and search for something like this? So for that, you really don't need to upload a document. So you can put some text in here, or you can upload a PDF document of your assignment. So let's say maybe you scanned some document or something like that, and it's in PDF, and you want to upload it to the students. So in this case, let's start with where we just type the text. So I copy this text from some Word document that I was working on, and I just paste it here, Control V, and there I have my text, right? And I can save this. So at the bottom, now notice two things. You have this part where you can select the files and add them, but we're not doing that yet. We have this part here where we just click save content, so which means you're only saving this text. So if I click there and save, my content will be added. And if I want to view, I just click on view assignment content, and I can see that this is the text, and this is how the students will be able to see. So when they log in using the normal parent login and so forth. Apart from them seeing the results like they do, they'll also be able to see this menu that shows them the subjects and the assignments that are there, that are available. And then they can view the text, and then they can submit solutions. Okay, so for now I'm just demonstrating how you can upload the assignments, and then later on I'll do another video where I show you how the students can log in and submit their solutions. Now, if you want to upload content as a PDF document, not just text like this, you can also do it. So to do that, again, you still have to select assignment there and then click update assignment content, and then this time we are not typing anything in here, but we want to, of course, if you already typed some text, it will show. When you click update, it will show you the text. But now what we're going to do is to add a file. Don't directly click add file. You must click here, you know, in the browse text there. If you just click here, it will ask you to locate the files that you want. So I click there, and then I can search for some document. Let's say how to install .NET, all right, PDF, and then I open that. Then I click add. Okay, so after you locate the file on your machine, then you can click add file. So this is step 1, and then this is step 2. So I click on add, and the file will be uploaded. All right, if I want to view the content, you can see that now under content at the bottom there, you can see there's this PDF document that has been uploaded there. Now you can upload multiple files. Of course, you can upload one at a time, but I mean that you can add multiple documents for an assignment. So if you want to add another document, we can do that. And so again, we have to browse, and let's just search for some other PDF document here, maybe this one, and then I can click add. Right, so there it shows that this is being uploaded and it's done. I can add the third one, so I browse for it again, and let's say that this time maybe I can put this and add. Right, so once it's done, click on view assignment content, and then you can see that now there are 3 documents here. All right, so we have these 3 documents, and if we want to, so you can download these documents if you want, or when the students log in, they'll be able to see your assignments like this. And if they want to download, they can choose to download one. For example, I tick that and then say download, or I can select everything. Now, of course, when the students log in, they can only see the download. They won't be able to see the delete. So this delete is for you. If you want to remove one of the documents, you just select it there and say, okay, this one, I'll remove this. They will ask you, are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Then of course. But for now, I'll select everything and I say download. So if you're downloading all these documents, it will create a zip file of the documents, and you'll be asked to save. So let's save this as my assignments. I'll save it in this folder called GTS, and then it will download them. And if I go to this folder, there's a folder called GTS, and here I have this zip file called my assignments. I can extract this to my assignments, and when I go in there, then I can see all those 3 documents that I just downloaded. So this is how the students will be able to see the documents that you upload for them. Then they'll do their solutions, and also they can log in then and upload solutions for those specific assignments. Okay, and this is how this works. So I hope this will be useful. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.